Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to Sa's Kitchen. Don't forget to press the red button for subscription. Sharing with you chicken Manchurian recipe today. I have taken about 150 grams of boneless chicken here. Add the ingredients written: black pepper, white pepper, vinegar, soya sauce, white flour, cornstarch, egg. And you leave the chicken for marination. In the meantime, we'll prepare the sauce. For sauce, take a pan and fry chopped garlic. Add in it vegetables. You may cut capsicum and onion in square shapes or any shape you like. Adding spring onions, salt to taste, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, soya sauce, vinegar. Keep the salt low at the moment because we will be adding chicken cube to it. Chicken cube is already salty. I took one medium tomato and blended it. You can also take tomato ketchup if you want. Add 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce and 1 chicken cube, half cup of water. Close the lid and let it cook for a while. In a separate pan, add oil to deep fry the chicken we marinated. Add the fried chicken to the prepared sauce. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of diluted cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Chicken Manchurian is ready to serve. You can serve it with plain rice or vegetable fried rice. If you like the recipe, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.